Cool.
So
what we got going on here?
Today we are going to attempt to do some alkaline sushi. These are the apparatus. This is something that you can purchase on Amazon. Just type into Amazon sushi maker. These are nori sheets. Nori is a seaweed, alkaline seaweed.
Cool.
So we just get those sheets there, and the sheets are just gonna be the wrap or the bread. In other words, we have to fill both sides, and hopefully it's just gonna shape it into the shape we want it to be. And we're gonna close it up, and then we're gonna have some sushi. This is a mixture of red quinoa, bell pepper and spring onion stew, which is this stuff over here. So that's the bell pepper and spring onion stew. And this is also mixed with baby bananas. These bananas right here. We fry these bananas as you would plantain, and we mix them in with the quinoa. And we also got in there some spring onions also, and seasoned with dill, cloves, allspice powder. Many things are alkaline in there. But yes, cool. So now we're ready to
load up.
We're ready to load it up. This is the first time I'm doing this, by the way. So I believe we just close it.
Close both sides at the same time. Yeah, like that. Boom.
Yeah, and then
let's take a football player. Okay. A football player.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
So now, all we have to do is we're loading it this side, innit?
Yeah.
See what happens.
Because if he says no, it makes him look bad. Why is he in the beach? Why did you not try your best then? If you know you didn't do your best, try your best, then why did you?
Wow.
This is amazing.
That's where people automatically tell a lie without realizing they're telling a lie. They assume they're doing the best because if they couldn't, they think if I could have done better,
That's it. That is it. You know, it's a bit longer than the sheet itself, you know, but nah, we gotta just flip it how it is. So
let's do it.
We're gonna turn it this way.
once you lie enough, you believe you lying, then you're in trouble.
Some people never find that out, you know.
No. But all the people who are going through their life now,
And maybe we could just wet this area with some stew, maybe. Maybe we could do it. It's like a Rizzler, isn't it? It's like a Rizzler almost.
everything that you do doesn't seem to work. And they go, well, no, because I'm doing my best, I'm doing something else, but don't get people to run away from success. Many people have an idea to run a business, to start a business, to do a thing, but they don't.
That's it.
Because they're scared of the
Done.
what they do.
It's delicate. It's delicate.
Person really love it, so the idea is they love it.
Yeah. All right. Boy, so now all we gotta do is wrap it up. We gotta wrap it up. We got to wrap it up. All right. Let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up.
Thank you.
All right.
One thing though, I was talking to Garvey is the person who manages the Horrible Network. And he wants to
Wow. So this is the alkaline wrap. Very simple, very effective, and it's just the imagination. That's all you need, your imagination. There you go.
Better than any sushi. Better than any sushi in the world.
Oh, it looks nice though. But
The best sushi in the world.
Try it out, try it
I
out.
will try.
Tell
The
us
best
how.
sushi in
I
the
don't
world.
want to be in camera.
I'm zooming in. She's out of the shot. She's out of the shot.
But yes, guys, that is how you make alkaline sushi wraps.